Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize a macarons packaging box. This was requested by Miss Susan in one of my previously uploaded videos. Thank you so much, Miss Susan, for your request. This box is good for a macarons with a diameter of less than 5 centimeters and lower than 5 centimeters, and the thickness is less than 3 centimeters. Because its dimension is 18 by 5 by 5 centimeters and is good for 6 pieces of macarons. So if you want to make your own box, please make sure to watch this until the end. For those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell button so you will be notified for my next upload. Because I will be preparing a lot of boxes, and if you also have a request, then you can comment down below. And if you love this video, please click the like button and also share it to your friends. And now guys, let's start. This material is a clay-coated board with a dimension of 28 by 22.5 centimeters. And on the horizontal sides of the board, the measurements should be 5, 18, and 5 centimeters. Guys, I am using centimeter because this is only a small box. And on the vertical sides of the board, the measurement should be 5 centimeters for the height. Then this width is another 5 centimeters. And then another 5 centimeters for the height. This will be the back of the box. And then this is for the cover, 5 centimeters. And the flip of the cover should be 2.5 centimeters. Then just do the same measurements on the left side of the board. And here I'm going to remove 1 centimeter because if you notice, the width and then the height are the same. So we have to cut some portions. Okay, in this point guys, this is 5 centimeters and you have to take note the half of it. And you have to use that measurement here. So you have to measure 2.5 centimeters and connect to the corner and also to this line. And we will do the same here, but this one is facing downward. But the measurement should be the same, 2.5 centimeters. And it should be done also here. Whatever you did on the right side, you should also do it on the left side of the board. And here, this point is 1 centimeter. So here we will leave 1 centimeter before we put a line. And here should be 1 cm also, the same here. Here's 1 cm and also here. And then we will do the same here guys. Okay, next is we have to get this measurement, and this is 2.5 centimeters. And we will use that measurement here. We will also measure 2.5 centimeters and mark it. Okay, next is we will get this measurement, which is 1 centimeter. And from this point, we will also measure 1 centimeter and then connect it to the two corners. And on the top or here, we will also use the 1 centimeter and then extend or just form a line straight. Do the same, whatever you did on the right side, you have to do it also exactly the same on the left side of the board. And now we will make a window here. The size of the window, guys, is up to you. If you want a small or if you want a big window, then you can make it. Okay, now I am going to form it. I'm going to cut some of the portions. Okay, now guys, I'm going to cut some portions here so I can make a window. And then later, you can use a plastic to cover this part. And next is, we have to score. Guys, scoring is very important. You have to make sure that you are scoring exactly on the line so you can fold it properly and your box is proportioned. This point, I have to cut also this line so I can insert later. This will lock the side of the box. Okay, now I am folding it and I will try to assemble this box so that I can show you if there will be a problem on the side of the box and what you are going to do in order to fix it. This issue will be encountered if you have a different height and width of the box. So I will show you how you can fix it. So here's the issue, guys. I cannot insert it. And this is what we can do. We have to cut some portions here. But the thing is, how much are we going to cut? The basis is this one. It should be the same measurement here. And that is 1 cm. So we will only leave 1 cm here and the extra will be cut. So now, it's okay. We can insert it all. Okay, so this is it, guys. We're done, and we can just put a plastic here. Okay, now this is our packaging box for 6 pieces macarons. This is the side, the front, the other side. Okay, and this is the top. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you think this will help your friends or some other people, then please do share it on your social media.